This is Chris with Team BudoCode, and I'm happy to show you today how you can use a spreadsheet to create your curriculum or multiple curriculums for your program that you'll make available to your members through the BudoCode powered application. So we'll start off from your school, and you'll actually open up a program. I've created one here. There's nothing in it, as you can see. So we're going to go ahead and add a curriculum. Now I can name that. I'm just going to name it the same thing as I want the app. If you want to rotate your curriculums, if you have multiples, you can have start, end dates, and years that you can use for here. We can make it active, and we also make it copyright reserved. This will keep us from copying that to if you want to use it for another business that you might own. You can copy programs and curriculums from one to the other. But if you're not interested, just leave these no until you're ready to turn it on. If you want to copy it from an existing curriculum, you can just hit the Pick Curriculum button, and you'll be able to choose from a list of the curriculums that you have access to. And they'll all be related to ones at your particular school or business. But if you want to upload a spreadsheet, what we're going to do here is we're actually going to, you've got the curriculum spreadsheet, and this has your curriculum name, your primary categories, is martial arts school, or just your belt or rank or level. But this is a primary category. This is what's going to show up on the user navigation. Secondary navigation, these are going to be like the secondary category. So once you click on trailer manual, then I would see these particular options. And then my third level navigations, if I click this, I might get some third level navigations. If I don't have any, I might go directly into that video, PDF, or web link from there. Third level, so basically when I think about it, first click, second click, third click, and then it'll start auto-playing whatever content you want. It'll have content 1, content description, content 2, content description, content 3. You can upload from YouTube or Vimeo links. And this is going to be very important. You have to have those set to be unlisted or public so that we can pull those in. If they're listed private, we will not be able to display it based on the rules of YouTube and Vimeo. But if you have these set this way, you can. I'm leaving some of these blank because I'm going to load some of these videos and content later through the admin. This is just to do a quick build. Whatever you want at the top of the app, it's going to start down here, and then it's going to work its way up. The BudoCode works off the idea as you read from the top, bottom up, as you work through a progressive curriculum. So if you want, whatever you want at the top of the app, you'll put here at the bottom of the list. And that makes sense for martial arts, maybe not so much for everyone else, but it's a pretty easy way to manage. And you can always change the sort order inside the application. So once I'm happy with this, I'm going to save it as a .xls file. So I'm going to hit in here and hit save. I've called this here, and again, it's got to be a .xls file. It has to be in this format. All right, go ahead and make sure that everything's good there. Now that that's good, I'll come over here, and I'm going to upload my spreadsheet. I can drag it from Finder. I'm just going to click on Find File, choose that, press Open. It's going to load up the curriculum, and then I hit Save. It'll take anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds to create the app. Oh, there we go. And now I've created this curriculum, and all of those contents are in here. So now we can see kind of the one-to-one relationship here of content here. So we had this information that we had here in this primary category, trailer manual, that's now in this position. Franchise salesman is here. So everything comes here. If I open up this, all of those subset skills were in there, just like I had on my spreadsheet. And now I can go in and start editing. It's going to add some default color codes to it that will try to pick out based on the name. We can go in and edit those quite easily. You can check out our video on how to change level colors for information on that. But that's how we quickly use a curriculum to upload into the BudoCode application platform. In our next video, we'll cover how to create multiple curriculums and set rotation schedules. Thank you for checking this out today, and thanks again for being the best part of Team BudoCode.